guys, this is Scooter Brother, and I'm just showing you my 30-gallon fish tank. So yeah, basically, starting this end, I got a pump. That's my secondary pump. Got a jar with the rocks coming out of it. I got SpongeBob's pineapple. Pretty cool, right? Then I got some drift water here. And I got some rocks popping out, so there's a lot of room for the fish to swim around. And so and then we got the rock, and we got the skull over on the kisser fish. And the skull has like Jack Dempsey in it. My name is Jackie. And I got a red Paco. Paco or whatever. And I got two kisser fish. There's a red Paco. And I got a kisser fish. And there's Jay and Bob. And I got the sucker fish under there. So yeah, that's my tank. Pretty fancy, right? So yeah, that's my tank and my fish. So please rate, comment, and subscribe. Alright, see you later.